Welcome to Twin Bush. There's a new tips and tricks episode about tire changes. In a previous episode we explained how to adjust the mounting head to match the rim. Today we'll show you how to adjust the mounting arm locking mechanism. As you may have noticed, the head moves away from the rim minimally when opening and locking. This distance is adjustable. This so-called locking mechanism is located under this cover. Here, and on the back end of the mounting arm. The screws of the cover are loosened a bit. And now the whole mechanism can be seen here. An actuator activates a locking plate. And this so-called clearance of the locking plate, which is adjusted here, makes sure that the mounting head lifts itself, for example. So with this adjustment screw you can adjust the path the head makes when locking. If you give some more clearance with this screw, the mounting head would lift up a lot more. I'll set some more clearance now. When we set on the rim and lock, the head also lifts itself higher. In this case we have exaggeratedly set too much clearance just to show you that the head clearly moves more. The head lifts itself almost 3 to 4 millimeters. A bit too much, so the clearance must be reduced above. With a perfect adjustment, the head should jump a maximum of 1 to 2 millimeters away from the rim when locking. Just as the way the head jumps up can be adjusted, the way the head jumps backwards away from the rim can also be adjusted. The rear cover is removed for this.
Abdeckung demontiert.
Also recognizable here, the actuator that displaces the locking plate, and the clearance of the locking plate is adjusted with these two screws. I'll exaggeratedly add some more clearance first so that the difference is noticeable.
Dass man den Unterschied erkennt. So.
Please pay attention. If you set too little clearance, the whole head could get blocked. Without clearance, these locking plates can get stuck, the frontal one as much as the rear one, and the head can't be moved anymore. You feel your way towards the perfect adjustment. Some clearance is set. The head jumps approximately 1 millimeter backwards and 1 millimeter upwards. The mounting head is perfectly adjusted now, from the point of view of the locking mechanism, the setting to the rim. Now I'll also show you how to adjust the stabilization, the support of the tilting arm. It's not necessarily very relevant, but it should also be checked now for a long and trouble-free lifespan. The cover is removed. And adjustment bolts can be seen again in this area. Because the arm can tilt forwards and backwards on the axis, it supports itself additionally with the locking bolts on the sides. It should be adjusted so that there's no clearance when tilting forwards or backwards. Loosen the lock nuts on both sides. Adjust the adjustment bolt until you feel contact with the mounting arm.
Einstellen, bis man Kontakt zum Montagearm spürt. Stück zurück.
Turn back a little and block the whole thing.
Auf beiden Seiten.
On both sides.